Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Libra. And from a human design perspective, I'm going to tell you that the gates of Libra are the gate 46, the gate 18, the gate 48, the gate 57, the gate 32, and the gate 50. Now, the gate 46 is on the cusp of Virgo and Libra, so it might be helpful to look at Virgo energy as well and learn more about Virgo to see if you resonate with Virgo also. I'd also recommend looking at the line that gate 46 is in because you might also resonate more with Virgo or Libra depending on the gate and line. Also, with the gate 50, it's also on the cusp of Libra and Scorpio. So if you have the gate 50, you might resonate with Libra more, or even with Scorpio, even though they're on the cusp, and even though one line might say it's Libra, you might also resonate with Scorpio. And the same goes for the gate 46. And also, Libra energy represents balance, peace, harmony, negotiation, partnerships, legal documents. Libra also represents doing business. It's connecting with other people and having relationships, and it has to do with sharing and agreements with other people, and legal partnerships such as business partnerships and marriage. And it's also a creative energy, having the ability to be good at designing things. It represents business and trade, and mainly being with people together in a union, in a sense, such as marriage or partnership. And Libra is the sign of beauty and design, and it represents the marketplace and dealing with all kinds of people. And the Libra energy is also it's equivalent to the seventh house, and it's also balanced by the first house. And the ruling planet of Libra is Venus, so I would highly recommend you check out the videos on Venus to learn more and look at your Venus placement and how it affects your Libra energy as well. And this is my interpretation of Libra. Thank you for watching.